Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga Kapatid ko Star viewers? And I miss you guys. I hope na na-miss nyo ko. Parang ang tagal yatang wala akong reading na. Ilang araw lang naman. Anyway, I hope everybody are doing well. Kamusta kayong lahat dito? So, ang reading natin ngayon is something about 2 weeks. Last reading ko, meron akong nakuhang 2 weeks. And then after that reading, it's been bothering me, no? Napabother sa akin yung kailangan kong gawin itong 2 weeks. I know na my part na it's about the sa love life, no? Doon sa last reading ko, very specific na mangyari yun sa ibang collective natin dito. So again guys, this is general reading, collective reading. Kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakaresonate. Kung hindi naman, huwag nyo pong lahatin para ito sa specific person na makakaintindi or makaka-relate, resonate dito sa reading na ito. Huwag nyo pong lahatin kung hindi nyo feel, no? Kung hindi nyo feel or ramdam itong reading na ito or any of the tarot readings, meaning hindi yun para sa inyo. Alright? So, subukan yung panoorin yung ibang videos and maybe makakaresonate kayo sa ibang reading. Alright? So, wag lang tayong bitter. Love lang tayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star Talking Tarot. And again, before tayo mag-start, I'd like to thank all of you, no, sa pagsuporta dito sa aking tarot reading or dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star Talking Tarot. Maraming salamat po sa mga tumatangkilik at umaabang, no, or inaabangan itong any of my tarot reading videos. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dito, mga kapatid kong star viewers. I really hope na kayo ay okay at masaya, and I do pray na lagi ko po kayong pinapanalangin or sinasali sa aking mga panalangin na way kayo laging magkabayan at marinig ng universe ang inyong mga hinanaing or ang inyong mga problema na mabigyang sagot lahat, no? Yeah, and maprotektahan kayo ng universe palagi whenever you guys are. So, yeah, continue na tayo sa reading natin. In 2 weeks, alamin natin kung ano ang magaganap o tungkol saan. It could be bagay na mangyayari, matatanggap, message, communication, friendship, finances. So, alamin natin kung ano ba itong 2 weeks. Kasi talagang kinukulit talaga ako ng aking intuition na kailangan ko itong gawin itong reading nito in 2 weeks. Alright? Spirit Ranges, in 2 weeks, ano ba ang mangyayari sa ating mga collective? Anong ganap tungkol saan ito in 2 weeks sa ating mga collective? In 2 weeks, mga kapatid. Collective in 2 weeks. Ano ito? May nadagdag ditong baraha. Saglit lang. You know what? I feel like parang gusto ko itong anuhin. Parang gusto kong i-shuffle ito, no? Sige. I-mix natin itong barahan ito. Kasi parang nag-ano sa akin itong baraha. Parang gusto ko siyang i-mix dahil nag-draw ako sa star and both decks are parang related sila. Parang magkaparehas lang halos. So, this is very significant na kailangan ko itong gawin. Maybe there's a spiritual message or hope, no? Maybe you're hoping na mangyari ito, magaganap ito, or matatanggap itong miracle, good news, something like that. Alamin muna natin kung tungkol saan itong in 2 weeks. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, 6 of Swords. Wow, meron itong makakaalis ka or you will be, meron kasi dito, meron magta-travel dito. There will be like a group travel sa inyo. The Emperor stability. So, I'm getting like yung iba dito in 2 weeks, you will be feeling na makakaramdam ka ng pag-move forward. It could be feelings na mag-move on na, stable. You are finally stable mentality. Yung iba dito, meron naman sa inyo dito na in 2 weeks, there will be more stability, no? Stability on your emotion, stability on finances, or moving forward kasi nakapag-move on ka na, no? Or I'm also getting like iba dito, very specific. It could be about spiritual. Yes, guys. Meron ditong in 2 weeks, especially kung may pagka-psychic ka, intuitive, mas nagiging evolve, no? Mas nag-i-evolve, mas nagiging nagbago ka na or may pagbabago sa iyo or there will be expectation or I don't know, something about expectations na magaganap sa iyo in 2 weeks when it comes to your spiritual awakening, no? Psychic ability. You are elevating or you are moving forward. Siguro yung iba dito during awaken, no? You might be dealing like emotional imbalance, no? Na overthink or fear, mga takot, something about na hindi mo naman kailangan isipin. And siguro lately yan ang iyong experience, no? Yung iba dito, very specific, na okay naman siguro ang iyong family, ang iyong kalagayan, but somehow hindi mo, when it comes to your psychic ability, intuition, or something about like spiritual, no? It's about your spiritual ability that you are more evolving. So you might be in a verge of psychic, I don't know, transformation. May pagbabago sa iyo dito psychically. So in 2 weeks, no, there will be like changes more. Mas nagiging matured ka na, stable, mas nagiging malakas ka na, matatag. Yeah, and you know what you are doing. You will be more following your intuition. Very intuitive, psychically stronger. So congratulations mga kapatid. Finally in 2 weeks, especially at this moment, whenever you watch this reading, again, this is psychic, this is timeless mga kapatid. In 2 weeks, makakaramdam ka rin ng paggaan ng pakiramdam. No? Makakapag-move forward ka na rin. There will be like realization na hindi ka na masyado nakakapag-isip ng hindi maganda or negative thoughts or mentality issues, something like that, or emotionally imbalance. So, in 2 weeks, there will be like magiging smooth ang iyong mindset peacefully. Magkakaroon ka ng peaceful situation, no? Magiging peaceful ang iyong ganap, especially psychically, no? You are holding the power. You know what to do. You will be following your something like your intuition. Because strongly, guys, huwag niyong kalabanin ang iyong sarili. Because your soul, your intuition is telling you what to do. Because this is the right thing for you to do, to follow your intuition. Your soul is telling you, no, na kung anong dapat gawin. So, sundin niyo mga kapatid. Sometimes kasi, may mga bagay na mga ganap, or pagpipilian, whatever situation you are in right now. Minsan kasi, sabihin natin na, mapupuntahan ka, no? Mag-beach kayo, kaya lang yung intuition mo or isipan mo or something about in yourself telling you na huwag kayo magpunta ng beach, huwag muna ngayon. And then, yun, hindi ka nakinig, no? For example, no? Mga kapatid, hindi ka nakinig, hindi pagpunta nyo sa beach, umuulan pala or may bagyo, no? Or high tide, no? So, hindi mo kasi pinapakinggan ang iyong sarili. And your soul know what's best thing to do. Your soul is telling you what to do. Especially, your soul know or feel, nararamdaman mo yung weather. Yung iba dito, very specific. You can tell if the weather is good or bad. Especially sa location na pupuntahan ninyo or destination. So, follow your instinct, especially, kasi the more na sinusunod nyo ang inyong intuition, instinct, or your soul, your spirit, whatever how you call it, you know, the more na sinusunod mo ito, mas nagiging tama ito. Mas nagiging malakas ito. And for that, you are spiritually elevating, no? Nag-i-evolve ka mga kapatid. Mas nagiging matatag ka na, naging malakas. You are holding your own power. You know what to do. So follow your intuition always. When it comes to your spirituality, knowledge, transformation, you are heading towards the right path. In 2 weeks, you will be feeling calm, moving forward, and balance, and steady, no? Magiging stable ang iyong plano. It could be, there could be like, information na matatanggap mo in 2 weeks. I don't know what information. So, spirit guidance, what is this information na matatanggap ng ating collective? This could be like mga or balita. Baka may balita kang matatanggap It could be sa radio or kaibigan. I'm also getting like meron dito magta-travel sa inyo in 2 weeks. Okay? So, yeah, especially guys, if you are good at manifestation, continue on manifesting. Isulat ninyo ang inyong mga pangarap. Sabihin natin, pangarap ko makabili ng motor, pangarap ko mabayaran lahat itong mga utang ko, itong mga whatever problem you have, no, mga kapatid. Isulat nyo lahat. It's like a diary. Kasi the more na, it's like an affirmation, no, through writing. So, habang sinusulat mo ito mga kapatid, itong manifestation ninyo or dreams, especially you are psychically, no, you are drawn into this, I don't know, something about psychic, your soul, your intuition is telling you what to do, to make plans. The more na sinusulat mo ito, namamanifest mo siya. Alright? So, this is the right time for you to keep on going on your manifestation. So, continue ang inyong pag-manifest and manalangin and follow your dreams. Yeah, especially if your dream is like going to somewhere, mag-travel, makapag-move on, makabuild, or something like planning on building. Whatever you are planning, kung ano yung plano mo sa buhay, isulat mo and i-manifest mo ito and affirm it. Because you are holding your crown. It's like your crown chakra is open. Your power, your manifestation will be active or activated, being activated, especially in 2 weeks, mga kapatid. So, yung iba dito sa inyo, whatever you are manifesting, it will be activated in 2 weeks. So, affirm nyo ito, mga kapatid. All my manifestation is activating. I can't wait to receive my manifestation in 2 weeks. So, affirm nyo ito, mga kapatid. Isulat ninyo, especially kung malakas ka psychically, no? Mas naging malakas ito. You are pulling this energetically. Nagiging, it will be transforming into physical form. Alright, mga kapatid? So, I know yung iba dito, hindi alam itong pinagsasabi ko, hindi mo feel, meaning hindi ito para sa inyo, para to sa iba, na alam kung ano itong pinagsasabi ko. Kasi minsan, you are drawn into something na yun pala ay, okay, psychic pala ako, or yung mga manifestation ko pala, no? Meron kasi ditong swerte sa mga pagtaya ng wedding, pagtaya ng lottery or scratch, no, yung mga Powerball, Mega Million, something like that, or whatever, sweepstakes, something like that sa Pinas, ano. Kasi dito sa Amerika, Powerball and Mega Millions at iba pa, marami pa dito. So nalimutan ko na sa Pilipinas kasi hindi ako masyadong tumataya. Sweepstakes tawag doon. Nahirapan pa ako. Anyway, kayo na umintindi, mga kapatid. So ano itong information? Okay. Alright, 8 of Wands, guys. Meron ditong struggle. Struggle ka kontrolin ang iyong situation. Whatever situation you are in, kung anumang situation itong nahirapan ka, struggle ka, no? Iba-iba ang sitwasyon ninyo, mga kapatid. So, kung ano man itong nahirapan ka, kailangan mo lang talaga na kontrolin, kumalma ka. Kalmahin mo ang iyong emosyon. Be more patient kasi meron ditong atat na atat. Wag kayong maging atat, mga kapatid. It takes time. Kung ano itong hinihiling ninyo, pinaplano ninyo, it takes time. Wag mamadaliin kasi it's a matter of time na when it's meant to be, meant to be. Wag madaliin. Kasi pag minamadali ninyo, magiging palpak lang din. Hindi ito mangyayari. Hindi ito magkakatotoo. Magiging worst pa ang mangyayari sa inyo. Alright? Like again, follow your instinct. It takes time. Wag madaliin. Kailangan confident and isulat ang inyong, kailangan talaga may iba dito na siguro nalilimutan mo, makalimutin ka, wala kang confidence sa sarili, takot na takot ka, you don't know how to hold your power. So again, if you are struggling right now, whenever you watch this reading, in 2 weeks, hindi ka na magiging struggle. You will be more emotionally or somehow magiging balanse ang iyong sitwasyon. It could be your emotion sa ganap, no, or whatever you are going or what to do, there will be more balanced and stable. So right now, if you are feeling imbalanced, no, walang confident, takot na takot, whatever you are feeling fear, no, or feeling mo na wala kang, you are not in control about yourself or situation, you need to be more patient at kalmahin ang iyong sarili. mag-meditate. Yung iba dito sa inyo, kailangan mag-meditate palagi and connect with nature. No, lumabas kayo, magpa-araw, and kausapin nyo si universe. Sabihin natin na, universe, thank you. Always say thank you. Be grateful always. Huwag tayong laging manalangin na puro problema na lang. Oh, of course, kailangan din, no, na mga kapatid, manalangin din tayo na i-share ang ating mga good news kay universe na, universe, thank you. Ang tuwa-tuwa ko, natutuwa ko ngayon na ganito ganyan, and something like that. You know what I mean? Alright? Not just always praying na lagi na lang mga marites or mga hinanaing, ano. Of course, always feel free to share your good news to the universe kasi natutuwa din sa universe na ganun din ang narinig nila sa inyo. Okay? Na you are sharing your good news and you are very grateful sa mga ganap kahit kunting bagay. It's also a blessings from the universe. So, yeah. Kailangan guys, kalmahin ang iyong sarili at this moment. If you are in this situation, itong energy na ito na takot na takot ka, you are not in control about situation na ito, or nahirapan ka na gawin ito, walang confident, or magulo ang iyong situation, pray, mag-meditate, kalmahin ang iyong sarili. Because in 2 weeks, soon, magiging kalmado din ito. You will be getting an information or mariresolba din ito ang iyong hinanaing, problema. Makaka-move on ka na rin. Alright? Makakaalis ka rin dito sa sitwasyon ito kung ano itong nahihirapan ka, which is a good news. Alright? Kailangan mo rin, it takes time to, kailangan kasi na practice makes more perfect. So, kailangan talaga na mag-practice ka pa ng more on meditation or kalmahin ang iyong emotion. Kasi meron ditong nahirapan nahirapan ka kung paano i-handle itong sitwasyon na ito. So, kailangan talaga guys na kalmahin, pakinggan ng iyong sarili, try to be in a silent mode ka muna, manahimik ka na muna, and then, soon, once you have this silent, solitude, connect with nature, lumabas muna, maybe connect with your, have connections with your family members, with your loved ones, friends, and then, kasi the more na iniisip mo itong mga negative energy or situation, mas magiging imbalance talaga itong situation mo. No, mas magiging worse pa ito. Again, follow your intuition and kailangan din talaga ng pray and solitude, matulog kung kailangan matulog para mas magiging kalmang inyong emosyon, ang inyong isipan. Yeah, you just need to have this solitude, para matanggal itong takot. And then again, walang forever sa problema. May katapusan din po ito, mga kapatid. Matatapos din ito, may endings din ito. Alright? Hindi naman to forever ka ng dinidikit na mga problema. Matatanggal din ito. You just need to control your emotion, control the situation. Kasi pagka once na makontrol mo ang iyong sarili or ang situation, whatever it is, in 2 weeks, you will find the solution. Mahanapan mo rin ito ng paraan, solusyon. May makapag-move on, meron dito na you know how to do it or what to do. I'm also hearing like, thank you. And you're welcome, mga kapatid. You need this. Kailangan mo ito. Especially, kailangan mo mapahinga. Pakinggan ang iyong katawan. Kung iyong katawan ay pagod na pagod, kung kailangan mo matulog, matulog ka. Mag-relax, magpapamper. And then again, kailangan mo lang din ng solitude para magkaroon ka ng silent or peaceful mindset. Kahit isang araw o isang gabi, whatever it is, magkaroon ka ng free time. And then soon, in 2 weeks, you are holding the power to move forward, to have this shift, balance. Magkakaroon ka ng balance sa iyong mga ganap, situation, especially sa iyong mindset. No, you will be in control finally. You just have to believe in yourself. Pakinggan ang iyong sarili and paniwalaan ang iyong sarili. You can do this. And continue on writing your plans. And something about your art. Meron ditong very artistic. Meron ito mag-evolve sa iyong talent in 2 weeks. Knowledge, you will be getting information, balita. Alright? If you guys are receiving balita na nakakatakot, huwag kang masindak, huwag kang matakot. Matakot ka sa Panginoon. Alright? Huwag matakot, kailangan relax ka lang. Whatever situation na kinakatakutan mo, i-pray mo ito in surrender sa Panginoon. Because soon, the universe will help you out from this matter. Mas bibigyan ka pa ng tatag loob ni universe para ma-handle mo itong situation ito. Mabigyan ng solusyon itong problema mo. Alright? Spirit guardians, ano pa? Ano pa itong in 2 weeks sa ating mga collective? Ano pa ang matatanggap nila or anong ganap? What else more? In 2 weeks, ganap. 4 of Cups. Alright. Kung magkaroon kayo ng issue, alright, in 2 weeks, prepare yourself, no? Not just in a positive way. May mga ups and down din tayo mangyayari, no? So, in 2 weeks, meron naman dito, kung magkaroon ka ng problema ng iyong partner, kailangan mo rin ng intindihin. Meron dapat dito magkakaroon ng give and take. So, in 2 weeks, guys, pagka magkaroon ka ng problema sa trabaho, especially sa kapartner ninyo, lalong-lalo na't kung may you are in a relationship or committed or married, pag magkaroon ka ng problema, give and take, no? Or wag nyo namang sabayan ng inyong asawa or partner niyo na bulyawan, mag-iingay, ganito ganyan, magdadabog. Instead, pakinggan mo muna siya. And then, later on, maybe you will be the one to help him out or help her out, whatever problem. Baka ikaw ito makakatulong ng magbigay solusyon sa problema niya. And for that, ma-appreciate niya ang iyong pagiging mabuting tao. Ang iyong pagiging matulungin. It doesn't have to be in a relationship partner, no? It could be someone you really care. You will be seeing somebody in 2 weeks, meron dito, no? Who have problem, dealing with the problem, worries. Feel free to help the others. Kasi meron dito, you are meant to help this person na mabigyan siya ng advice or matulungan mo siya. Because you guys are very intuitive, matalino. There's so many like, I don't know, like, people believe in you. Because you are trusted, no? And, siguro spirituality or psychically, you could be a tarot reader or a teacher, something about that. You guys are helping, no? Marami kayong mga taong natutulungan. Not just financially, also emotionally. So in 2 weeks, feel free to help the others. Kasi meron dito very specifically, siguro ilang beses mo na siyang binigyan ng advice o napagsabihan, no? I know you are feeling bad about this person, but yeah, feel free to give advice from this person or anybody na kailangan ng tulong. Yeah, kasi meron ditong hihingi ng or kailangan ng emotional support from you, from partner, no? Partner, close friend, tatay, nanay, something like that, or friendship. Okay. So, if you guys made, kasi meron din ditong, kung kailangan humingi ng sorry, kailangan din ng mag-sorry yan, no? Wag dapat hayaan ang ego o ang pride ang mananaig. Okay? Kailangan din tanggapin ang pagkakamali. Ano pa? That's very specific advice for you guys, mga kapatid. Ano pa? What else more? What is all about in 2 weeks, mga kapatid? And I'm also getting like in 2 weeks, meron itong mag-reach out para, I don't know, maglambing. May maglalambing sa inyo. Our spirit angels. or may maghihingi ng pagpapatawad. Sorry sa mga nagawa. Dahil siguro iniwan ka sa ere or may nag-backstab sa inyo. Or I'm getting like in 2 weeks, someone will be meron itong kakausapin ka. Siguro na backstab ka, may iniwan ka sa ere, something like that na, or nagkaroon ka ng problema siguro, no? Yung iba dito. Or somehow may backstab dito nangyari. This person will be feeling guilty. And then somehow, bigla na lang itong babawi sa iyo. Very specific message here for you mga kapatid. So, alam na, no? Magugulat ka na lang with this person in 2 weeks. Biglang magparamdam, mag-communicate sa iyo, or maging malambing, or asikasuhin ka, is because this person will be feeling guilty. Yeah, meron dito na feeling guilty, and then asikasuhin ka niya, kausapin ka niya, bigyan ka niya ng, I don't know, like treatment, no, na siguro manibago ka sa kanya. You will be feeling love by this person because this person feeling like guilty sa nagawa niya. Alright? Meron naman dito in 2 weeks, there will be celebration. No? Celebration, success, financially stable in 2 weeks. Meron dito siguro may mag-birthday sa inyo in 2 weeks. Okay, or I don't know, meron ditong, I don't know, what is this? King of Pentacles, what is this all about? Spirit guide angels. Meron dito mag-birthday or I don't know, meron dito, okay. Kasi nakukuha ko itong itong cow na may suot na sash. So whatever celebration, I'm getting like, I don't know, Hawaii, Hawaiian party or sa beach ba? Or meron dito magkakaroon ng medal. Okay? So in 2 weeks, there will be something to receive, no? A medal or graduation. Siguro may ka-graduate dito. Congratulations sa ka-graduate. And again, malapit na ang katapusan ng pag-aaral or ng school. Congratulations. And someone here is going to celebrate you. Or meron itong celebration na pupuntahan. Enjoy the celebration, mga kapatid. Ano pa? Ano pa in 2 weeks? Spirit ka rin, just ano pa in 2 weeks sa ating mga collective? So, meron naman ditong mag-celebrate dahil, I don't know, like, siguro financially, no? Financially stable, you are grateful, no? Blessings from the universe. Okay. Meron dito magpapakain. Magbibigay ng food or, I don't know, magpapakain, I don't know, may bakang itutumba. Something about a big feast. Siguro may festang pupuntahan in 2 weeks. It's gonna be fun for you. Or meron dito mag-offer sa iyo or ano tawag dito? In 2 weeks, meron itong invitation. May mag-invite sa iyo, a matured person. Alright, yeah. Someone is going to invite you in a party. So, yeah. Congratulations mga kapatid for this party or invitation. Be ready. Alright, so wag matakot sa mga invitations mga kapatid. Follow your intuition. If you're not feeling well, then wag nyo naman, wag nyong i-force ang iyong sarili na pumunta sa isang event na hindi mo gusto or hindi mo feel. Alright? So, in 2 weeks, 8 of Swords. Okay, someone is going to catch you. Alright, so guys, like again, meron tong problema, di ba? If you're feeling like unwell, anxiety, fear, takot, no, or sa health ninyo, the God will protect you, guide you. So in 2 weeks mga kapatid, to the point na meron dito na sa inyo na to the lowest level na yung problema, situation, parang hindi mo na, it's like out of control. Always pray because in 2 weeks, there will be meron ditong problem solve sa inyo. Aalis, no? Meron itong tatanggalin ka ng universe dyan sa sitwasyon na iyan. Aalisin ng universe iyang mga takot mo in 2 weeks. You will be feeling stable, healed. God bless you guys. Always pray and believe in God and yourself. Continue manifesting. Especially if you are in a imbalanced situation right now, emotional imbalance mga kapatid, no? Struggle. In 2 weeks, makakaramdam ka ng pagtulong galing kay universe. There will be like a big movement na magaganap, changes, transformation sa iyo in 2 weeks. About yourself, you yourself. Especially psychically. Okay? Nakikita niyo naman dito, di ba? Itong kamay. This is the universe or the God's hand to pull you out. Tinatanggal ka or nagkakaroon ka ng, it's like problem solving from the universe. Magkakaroon ka ng pagresolba ng iyong problema. Tatanggalin ng universe ang iyong mga problema. Aalisin ka ng universe sa mga situation na iyan. It could be people, no? Siguro aalisin ka ng universe very specific, no? A company. It's like the universe is saving you. You'll be feeling safe in 2 weeks by the universe help. Mararamdaman mo ito. Psychically, masisense mo to spiritually. Yung iba dito. And God bless you guys, whatever struggle. Kasi meron itong struggle sa inyo. No? Especially in 2 weeks, you will be removed by this struggle. Aalisin ng universe itong mga struggle mo sa buhay. Emotionally, psychically, financially. And in 2 weeks, you will be helping people and continue. No? Especially if you guys more likely dito, mga matured, itong mga collective ko, mga kapatid kong star viewers. You guys are well-mannered, matured, respectful, and continue. Do not let people to drown you or drain you, because the universe will always be there, no, to save you, to take you out from that situation. Tatanggalin ka ng universe dyan sa sitwasyon mo kung saan ka ikaw ay nahihirapan. Continue praying, manifesting, and magpahinga din mga kapatid, because in 2 weeks, you'll be feeling the improvement. May pagbabago rito, improvement, evolving, moving forward. May magta-travel sa inyo dito. Meron naman psychically evolving. You will be getting intuitively makakasense ka dito. Something about Something na may masisense ka dito mga kapatid. Strongly. Activating. May ma-activate sa inyo psychically. Evolving. Alright? So ano pa, in 2 weeks, spirit guiding, just in 2 weeks, ano pa ang ganap sa ating mga collective? In 2 weeks, what is all about ganap? Okay. Okay. Official person. I'm getting like, it's official. The word of official. Number 22, siguro it could be. Okay, so maybe on the 22, the month of 22, something about official. Like again, a medal. Meron itong bibigyan ng medal or parangal. Bibigyan ng parangal. Someone here may mag-elevate sa trabaho siguro, magiging manager or something about sa trabaho mo siguro, no? Sa, I don't know, a boss na bigyan kang parangal sa ginagawa mo, whatever you do, guys. Congratulations in advance. In 2 weeks, you'll be hearing this invitation, a party, or meron siguro itong related sa, I don't know, someone na nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno, a police officer, security guard, detective, I don't know, someone could be in a high rank, no? Related sa nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno, someone might going to talk to you, approach you, meron itong magpaparamdam, kausapin ka, or imbitahin ka, whatever it is. Congratulations mga kapatid. I'm also getting like letter M, C, M. Meron itong initials na tayo dito, no? C, M, C, M. Dagdagan nga natin itong initials. Sino pa ito? Kuha tayo ng tatlong letters. Spirit angels, give us ang initials about this person na kausapin ang ating collective for good news. Mag-approach. Good news in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks? Okay. Confirm my M or W. Just take how it takes, it resonates for you here. We have here E and S. Okay, M-E-S. I don't know, very specific here. So again, kunin nyo lang guys kung saan ka nakaresonate. Kung hindi naman, huwag nyo pong lahatin. So, very specific, someone is going to approach you, talking to you, hihingi ng tulong, meron naman mag-imbita sa inyo, good news, meron itong bibigyan ka ng parangal. I don't know, somewhere initials M-E-S. Alright? So ano pa? Ano ang advice sa inyo ni universe? Spirit guardian just advice. What is your advice, mga collective? Paano advice? I do hope nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito, mga collective. Kung hindi naman, skip nyo na lang ito and then proceed sa next reading. Kung meron man kayong interesadong ibang reading, no? So, adventure awaits. So, again, confirm, may magta-travel sa inyo. Whatever travel, no? Hiking, or ibang bansa, uuwi, or whatever it is na pupuntahan ninyo, you'll be feeling love, or I'm saying like, I'm getting like, mag-ready ka na. Mag-ready ka na dahil mag-i-enjoy ka dito. Very specific. That's the message that I'm getting from the universe. It will be a good memories to go to. Yeah. Meron tong, I'm getting like transformation for you. Meron ditong in 2 weeks, feeling, ano ka dito, feeling beautiful, feeling sexy, ano ba yan? Sexy, guwapo, charismatic, no? So, break up your routine and live a little sweetheart. It's time for some adventure. So again guys, kailangan mo nang lumabas-labas, connect with the nature, or may makakauwi dito, or whatever adventure, no? Plan a vacation because you need this. Take a spontaneous drive, a change of pace and scenery will do you good. Plus, you never know whom you'll meet or what you experience along the way. A fabulous new friend or partner. So yes, again, confirm you'll be meeting a new person, or like again, new person, a friendship, connection, all right? Okay. A spectacular meal at a charming local joint. So the vista of a lifetime adventure awaits. So in 2 weeks, there will be like a date, a good romance, no? Meron dito I don't know, magpaparamdam, magiging sweet sa iyo. Yeah, something about changes. There will be like changes to you, no? Meron itong surprise na mangyari sa iyo in 2 weeks. Magugulat ka sa taong ito. Mag-i-enjoy ka when you meet this person. All right? You are meeting a new person and may tutulong sa iyo. Especially, no, with this situation in 2 weeks, this is the work of God. Inaalis ka ni universe sa situation mo, whatever it is, because tinutulungan ka ni universe. In 2 weeks, there will be a person na mamimit mo. There will be an adventure, a date, a party, celebration, award, or a graduation. You will be helping somebody, a friend, emotionally help and support. And meron itong transformation sa iyong psychic ability. You will be holding the power psychically. Alright? So, listen to intuition, follow your dreams, and continue manifestation. So, before we end this reading, stop nyo muna ang reading na ito and then ask any question. Yes or no will be the answer. Alright? Mag-meditate kayo guys and focus sa inyong katanungan para makuha natin yung energy ng tarot deck dito. Our spirit guardians, yes or no sa ating mga collective. Ready mga kapatid? Spirit guardians, yes or no? Whatever they ask, yes or no? What is this all about? Yes or no? Sa ating mga collective. So we have here maybe. Alright? Maybe muna kasi it takes time. Like again, meron tayo dito, it takes time, no? Nasabi ko na kanina, wag madaliin. Kasi pagka the more na minamadali mo itong sitwasyon na ito, magiging palpak lang ang mangyayari. Okay, mga kapatid? So, it takes time. And when it's meant to be, it's meant to be. Kasi meron itong wheel of fortune. It's the time, completion. Good luck, destiny, change, karma, soulmates, decisive moments, cycles of life, faith, fortune, upheaval, and chance. So, it takes time. Even if hinihiling mo to kay universe or minamanifest mo ito, it takes time. Let the universe do the magic for you. When it's time for you, then it's time for you to receive it. Just be more patient. Alright, mga kapatid, hanggang dito na lang. I do hope na nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. Please, continue on, leave comment below. Natutuwa po ako na mabasa inyong mga comment and sa mga support dito. Thank you mga kapatid sa laging sumusuporta dito sa aking any of my tarot reading videos sa The Star Talking Tarot. And again, mag-ingat kayo palagi and God bless you guys. I love you all. Thank you. Bye.